Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Lashes and Kisses. Let's just do a quick video about Lipsense, how you get started and how much it costs and how much money you are expected to make. So I have been with Lipsense now for about a year. I signed up just because I saw a friend of mine on Facebook making a ton of money. She was posting all the time and she was not afraid to say how much money she was making. So I was like, oh my God, that sounds awesome. Because at the time I decided to quit my full-time job and work part-time. But that's a lot less money, right? So I wanted some extra money on the side. So I just thought, hey, why not give it a shot, right? And I tried the products and I loved Lipsense. I wanted more for myself. And when you sign up with Lipsense, you get a discount for yourself. And then obviously, if you want to sell the products, you sell at full price and get a commission. So if you buy a certain amount of tubes online, you get a 20% discount, minimal. So selling at full price means you get a 20% commission. The more you buy, the more of a discount you get, meaning the more commission you make. So I just placed a large order though. So I spent about $1,000, yes, on products, but I had sold all of it already. So this is all pre-orders. So if I buy $1,000 worth of product, I make a 50% commission. So I made $500 for selling lipstick. It was awesome. So that's what I'm doing now. So to sign up, it's only $55 a year, you guys. That's it. You do not have to sell a certain amount a month. And I'm proof of that because I took about 4 months off because we were selling the house, we were getting married. I wasn't, actively advertising. I was still selling Lipsense for people who would ask for it because I do have a Facebook page where I talk about Lipsense. I showcase the colors that I have. I sell it. But I took 4 months off, but that was okay. They let you take time off. You do not have to sell every single month. So you can sell as much as you want or as little as you want, and there's no penalty, which is amazing. The amount of money you can make does depend on how much you sell and or how much you order stock. So as I had mentioned, let's say you want to order 3 colors online at a time. You would probably get a 20% discount. So you sell at full price and you still make a 20% commission, which is still pretty good. You're making money if you order a lot like I do because I have Lipsense auctions with my friends, family, coworkers, new customers, old customers, whatever. I have Lipsense auctions about twice a month. So I had ordered about $1,000 worth of product. So that gave me a 50% discount. So I make a 50% commission. So you can make great money. So if you think about it, for selling lipstick, I made $500. And then I did it again and I made another $500. So I made $1,000 a month for doing nothing, basically, right? For selling Lipsense. I love it, you guys. It's a lot of fun. And, I wear Lipsense every day, so I get a discount too, which is nice. People see me wear it, they want it, and they buy it. They tell their friends, family, coworkers, the whole works. The nice thing is too, you don't need a website. You do not have to sign up for a website and pay the fees for that. You can sell to anybody. You can sell to whoever. You can make as little as you want or as much as you want. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. That's just kind of it in a nutshell. I have a lot of people who sell under me. So if you sign up to be a seller, you would put in my ID number, which is 332040, which I do have at the bottom of the video. And then that means that I become your sponsor. So the company sends me an email saying, you have a new person, a new lady, whatever, who signed up to be a seller. Here's her email. Contact her, and then there you go. They send you a welcome package. It's like this big. It is awesome. They send you DVDs. They send you training, the whole works. And then I would email you and train you also because I train my team about once a week. You can ask me questions anytime. We talk like this. I'm live about once a week. So I train people from all over the world and I help them make money because you can sell Lipsense. It doesn't matter if you're in Canada, States, Australia, it doesn't matter. You can sell Lipsense. So if you guys would like to be on my team, let me know. The link is at the bottom of the video. And if you guys have questions, let me know. So thank you guys for watching.